RBC's standard client card, Interact Debit, cannot be used for online purchases. It's for in-store ATM only. Use the RBC Virtual Visa Debit, free, linked to your checking account, for secure online shopping worldwide where Visa is accepted. 1. Activate Virtual Visa Debit. First time, 2 minutes. Open RBC mobile app. Log in. Select your checking account. Tap Menu, Manage Cards. Choose Client Card. Activate Virtual Visa Debit. Review terms. Confirm with OTP. Sent to phone, jar email. Get instant virtual card details. 16-digit number. Expiry. 3-digit CVV. View an app. Expires after 30 mini for security. 2. Make an online purchase. Shop at sites like Amazon, Netflix, Uber, Canada, US, Charles International. At checkout, select Visa or Visa Debit. Enter virtual card number, expiry, CVV, add name, billing address, your RBC linked address. Confirm. Funds debit instantly from checking. No interest, just available balance. Get receipt. Track in RBC app under transactions.